Hi, to pair your Google Pixel Watch free with any Samsung phone, as a first step, wake up your watch to see this first setup screen. So as you can see, we need to take phone and install this Google Pixel Watch app to be able to connect our watch to the phone. So I got this Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. And now we need to open Play Store, find this app Pixel Watch, and install this app. After that, we can immediately open it, and we need to tap Continue to set up new watch. Here, allow some permissions, and now this app is needed to manage your watch. So tap on your watch and now it is connecting, as you can see. So it's starting pairing and we are just waiting. You'll see this animation on your phone and on the watch. So we need to just wait and now sign in your Google account. So here tap sign in. And choose your Google account. You can tap here to add another one. And you need to verify your identity first. And then enter your email or phone number and after that, passcode. And after you sign in, you need to choose to copy accounts to your watch. And again, confirm by entering PIN code. And now we are just waiting again. And then simply agree with terms of service. So scroll all the way down and tap here, I agree. Then you can read this information about warranty and just tap continue. Now, as you can see, I did backup on this watch. So I can restore my data or choose don't restore. So I'm gonna select to not restore. And now we need to set watch orientation. So I'm gonna pick my left wrist and crown in the right position. Here tap continue. You can read some information and also tap continue. Tap next, then next again, and once more. And install Fitbit app if you want to track your activity and also health. So just install this Fitbit app. It is really useful app. Wait a few seconds and then we can continue setting up this watch. And now let's also tap continue. Here we can set up Google Assistant or select not now. Then you can set PIN code or pattern or you can skip this step and do it later in settings as well as setting up your Google Pay. So tap not now. You can select apps for your watch if you want to or also choose not now. And on watch you should receive this information setup complete. So as well as on your phone that your watch is ready. Tap more. Here tap done, allow to send notifications, and now this is how it will look. So you can see name of your watch, status connected, its battery percentage, and now we can customize it. And on the watch we can learn some navigation basics or just start using it right away. So that's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.